Hey, Carrie, it's Steve. How are you? Of course, it's me. I don't even know why I said that. Anyway, I just want to go over the workouts. It's going to be a little complicated, but it's really not. You're going to get used to it really fast. Um, we're going to kind of try to dumb it down as much as possible, but I want to work on different energy systems and at the same time, try not to burn you out. So, if it's possible for you to break these workouts up into a morning session and an evening session, that's actually even better than, it'd be awesome if you can. Um, I want to put you on a steady weightlifting um, block, and we're going to focus on the same movements 3 weeks, and the rep schemes are going to be the same exact thing. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, it's going to be the same exact rep schemes, everything. You're just going to try to build up a little tiny bit. If you can add a little bit of weight, awesome. And if you don't, that's fine. So in other words, let's just, for an example, we're going to focus on hang and squat clean. Build up to a 5 rep max. Um, and then once you build up to a 5 rep max, you're going to do 2 drop sets. So you're going to drop it down to 85% of whatever you just hit and then do 2 sets of 5. Okay. So however you want to build up is totally up to you. So the first week, obviously, maybe be a little bit more conservative. Don't get crazy and, hit like 4 and barely squeak out 5. So you just got to be conservative because you're going to have to try to beat it the following week. We're going to do that for 3 weeks, and then we switch to a different rep scheme. We're going to 3 reps, and then the final is I think it's 1 rep, and then we try to max out. Same with the back squat. That's kind of what we're going to follow for. It's going to be a 9 week cycle. The 10th week is when you try to hit a PR. I added in some accessory work. So these are supersets. Supersets, I'm pretty sure you know, but I'm just going to go over it. So basically, set up an upright row, whatever weight you feel comfortable, just make sure that you use the same weight or go a little heavier each week. So let's just say you're doing 65-pound upright rows. You're going to basically go over, do your 6 reps, and then go right to the barbell curl and press. So you curl, the bar's hanging, you curl it up, and then you reverse grip press it over your head. That's what a barbell curl and press is. So again, 6 upright rows, 6 curl and presses, a 1 minute break. You're going to repeat that 4 times. The conditioning, okay, anaerobic alactic, okay, you don't even really need to know about that stuff. That's just basically there for my notes. So 3 power cleans, 50-meter sprint, okay. You're literally dropping that bar, running 50 meters as fast as possible. I don't know how your setup is. If you got a 25 meters there and back, that's fine. Once you're done, this should take you about literally 12 seconds, whatever it is, depending what the setup looks like. Then you rest 3 minutes, and you're going to repeat that 3 times. Doesn't seem like a lot, but you should be feeling it at the end of it. Going into Tuesday, get your weighted vest out and do some handstand push-up sets. 3 sets of handstand push-ups, however you want to, if you want to max out, you want to be conservative with the shoulder, that's totally fine with me. Anaerobic lactic endurance. Number 2, yeah, that's a big word. So pay attention to the percentages on this. This is obviously an all-out effort. This one, we're looking for you to go at about 85%, okay? So it's 4 rounds. You're going to do a 3-minute AMRAP of, basically, it's almost like the Chief. So you're going to do 3 chest-to-bar pull-ups, 6 ring push-ups, 9 wall balls, 20 pounds. You're going to continue to do that for a 3-minute AMRAP, okay? You're going to do 4 rounds, okay? My bad, I'm sorry. So once you're done with that 3-minute AMRAP, let's see if I wrote this right. You rest 8 minutes. Okay, my bad. Jesus. 3-minute AMRAP of this triplet. Then you get an 8-minute rest. Then you're going to do a 3-minute AMRAP at 85% also. So 3 handstand push-ups. If you want to wear your vest on this, go for it. 6 toe to bar, 9 air squats. So you're doing that AMRAP, okay? You're going to repeat that 4 times. So this block, you're going to get an 8-minute rest in between and just keep going. It's going to be a little time consuming because obviously there's 16 minutes of rest alone, okay, times 4, you know. So this can be a little time consuming. Going into Wednesday, we're working on jerks from the blocks, okay, same thing, 5-minute rep, 5-minute rep max, drop set down to 85%. Then strict press, superset, here you go. And again, like I said, man, if you can come in the morning and do your lifts and then come back in the evening and do your capacity training, perfect. If you can't, I totally understand. This one is going to be a little, it's not a big deal. I mean, bottom line is you're doing a bunch of 40-second AMRAPs, okay? So 40 seconds, you're going 90%. The intensity is pretty high, all right? You're going for some lactic power training. So it's 40 seconds of work at 90%, and then you get 240 seconds of rest, okay? So 280 seconds of rest, which is basically 4 minutes and 40 seconds of rest. And then you're going to do that for 3 rounds times 3 sets with the 10-minute rest in between each round. So block, round, whatever. 3 blocks. Let's word it blocks. 3 blocks of 3 sets. So first block, 40 seconds. You're going to smoke 8 burpees, and then you're going to pick up that 75-pound barbell and get as many thrusters in as you can, okay? Again, 90%, so there's not going to be a lot of reps getting done here. You're going to get a 4-minute and 40-second break in between that, okay? I know, what the hell is coming up? Listen, man, I gotta be honest with you, like, this shit is scientifically proven. This is all through academia. This is not shit that they just pull out of a hat. So if you follow this program and you pay attention to the percentages that you're supposed to be doing and do your best on coming in at whatever percentages that you're supposed to, you are going to start feeling a lot better, and you're going to start seeing a difference in your capacity. So I even broke it up on a clock for you. So like if you had a clock and you started it, basically you start at 000, your 40-second AMRAP, you're stopping at 40 seconds, you rest for 280 seconds. So when that clock hits 520, boom, you're going again, okay? Hit that 40-second AMRAP. You're going to stop at 6 minutes, okay? Guess what? You get a 4-minute, 40-second rest. You're going to start at 10:40, okay? So I broke it down for you. It's actually, you're doing 3 40-second AMRAPs, then you get a 10-minute rest. 3 40-second AMRAPs, then you get a 10-minute rest, okay? So I know, man. We'll get it. I promise you. It'll be fine. The reward at the end of the tunnel is going to be phenomenal. Thursday, skill work. So 12-minute EMOM, all right? Strict muscle up plus a strict dip. Use a band, okay? I don't want you to be struggling on this. I mean, I want it to be challenging, but I want you to be able to feel confident that you're pulling up into a strict muscle up and then doing a strict dip. We are looking for you to develop strength on this with a good movement pattern, okay? The conditioning, it's a low intensity, max aerobic power 10. So that means you are going at 70%. It's an easy effort, conversational piece, however you want to say it, a 10K row. This is your active recovery day, skill and active recovery day. Going into Friday, okay, again, we're doing your lifts. Friday is going to be a hang squat snatch, the 5 reps, and then 2 drop sets. And you're going to focus on front squats on Fridays as well. Okay, the superset that I got lined up for you is strict press and barbell row. All right, You get a 1 minute break after you complete it for 4 rounds. You are doing nothing else this day, okay? So with these sessions, you can break them up into doubles, would be perfect if your schedule allows it, okay? For Monday, Monday, is not really necessary, obviously. Tuesday, yeah, I mean, it's one session, but Wednesday, it could be a double, no doubt. Thursday is a recovery, active recovery. Friday, you're not going to be doing a conditioning piece. I'm sorry. Yeah, Friday. Yeah, Saturday, I got to actually put it together for you. So that's where we're at now. If you have any questions, just let me know. But I just wanted to get this out to you. I'll finish up building the Saturday workout for you, and hope everything is going well. I did send a message to Guido. I haven't heard back from him yet. I know he's a busy guy, so I'll let you know.